After 15 months of driving with Uber, I have completed 5,000 trips, 4.95 star rating, and a diamond status. In this video, I want to share what I have learned as someone who has worked for over 30 years in this country, in both public and private sectors, to become an Uber driver. This video is not a get-rich video. It is my honest take on what really matters if you want to make driving profitable. 15 months ago, I switched on my Uber drivers app for the first time. To say I was nervous would be an understatement. I had spent over 30 years in the corporate environment where everything was structured. Meetings, targets, appraisals, and reviews. And then suddenly I found myself doing something totally different. Picking up and dropping off complete strangers. Navigating the busy streets of London. Learning new ways to earn my living. Today, 15 months later, I have completed 5,000 trips, 4.95 star rating, and a diamond status. Now, just to clarify, before someone says rating, diamond status, or 5,000 trips doesn't pay the bills, yes, I agree. Those achievements doesn't automatically make anyone a great driver. But they do tell me one thing, that I'm no longer a beginner who doesn't know what he's doing. And that got me thinking. Whenever you start a new job, most companies will review your performance within the first 6 months or a year of taking on the role. I had that many times during my time in corporate environments. Your manager sits you down to discuss what's going on well and where to improve. Yes, does that sound familiar with someone? Uber doesn't do that at all. Hence, today, I'm giving myself that appraisal. I think the question now is, what have I actually learned in 15 months on the road? What will I tell someone who just signed up as a new driver? The first lesson is simple. 1, know your numbers. Yes, know your numbers. When I started, I only concentrated on what Uber pays me. And at the end of the week, I look at the total revenue and I was like, this is not bad. But revenue isn't the same as profit. 2 different words and 2 different meanings. Fuel, insurance, servicing, tires, cleaning, and depreciation. Those costs does not disappear because Uber has deposited some money into your account. Today, I track everything. Fuel, mileage, expenses, and income. This is because what matters isn't what you earn, but what you keep. Lesson number 2, know your cost. Every mile driven has a cost attached to it. The more you understand those costs, the better the decisions you make. Lesson number 3, choose when to work. One particular thing that I've learned is that being online for 12 hours doesn't actually convert to money. The best drivers out there learn where the demands are, and this comes with experience. Airport runs, morning commutes, weekend evenings and nights, events, and probably school holidays. These are busy times, and the good drivers are out there hustling. So, in a nutshell, knowing when not to drive is as important as knowing when to drive. Lesson number 4. As a driver, you need to always look for improvements. No one becomes an expert in a day. Every week, I try to make an improvement. Maybe it's how I position myself between trips. Maybe it's reducing empty miles or dead miles. And sometimes it could be as simple as how to communicate with passengers. Lesson number 5. Invest in yourself. Keep your car clean. Stay on top of maintenance. Buy equipment that makes your day easier. Learn from other experienced drivers. Your car isn't just a transport, it's your workplace. And finally, understand the difference between revenue and profit. For me, this might be the biggest lesson that you must learn. You can earn £1,000 a week and still make less money than someone who earns £700. The fact of the matter is, profit is what is left after all expenses have been paid. Profit, yes, that number is what all successful drivers focused on. If you are a new driver watching me right now, please do not compare your earnings with experienced drivers. I mean, people who have been driving for years. Instead, focus on learning, improve every week, know your numbers, and remember, driving for Uber isn't just about driving. You are running a business. The sooner you start thinking like a business owner, the better your results are likely to be. To all new and experienced drivers out there, I had love to hear from you. How long have you been driving? What is the biggest lesson you have learned so far? Leave it in the comments, because your experience might help new drivers just starting the journey. If you have watched this video to the end, please consider subscribing and press that notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. Remember, hustle, no dey finish. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.